Alam mo, Arlan, di ba?
Yeah.
Sabi mo sa asawa mo, nasa meeting ka.
Ito naman.
Napapawad ba ni May itong ating mga video?
Ay, hindi na.
Hindi na.
Yung mga kwentong tabay, actually, none.
Okay, so
Wala siyang napapanood.
Hindi niya makapanood to.
Yeah.
So, ngayon, nag-text siya. Sabi ko, tara na. Sabi ko, nasa meeting ka. Pero actually, andito ka.
Sama mo.
Meeting naman to eh. Kailangan tapusin lang
Itong stuff.
Stuff.
Yeah,
Kailangan tapusin.
Yung project.
Pwedeng meeting. Pag-uusapan natin yung ating comics, di ba? Yung Bold Star. Marami na naghahanap ng Bold Star natin. What's the update daw? Sige, I'll let you update people on the update of Bold Stars.
Yeah, actually, konti na lang yung natitira na ng mga pages na kailangan mong tapusin. So I think yung sabi ko kay Jerry kanina, next time na mag-visit ako rito, I have to get yung mga susunod na mga pages para
Hindi mo ba ako tapos sa layout nun? Hindi mo ba?
Hindi kasi may inking yun which is alam mo naman medyo
check ko pa, di ba, kung okay siya.
Kailangan yung direction ng mga emotions ng pinoportray ng mga tao, movements, I think dapat kompleto.
Earlier then, we recorded an audio podcast where we talked about lots of stuff, including Doctor Who, Firefly, Sarah Connor Chronicles. And we talked about cell phones. Actually, maraming bagay kami pinag-usapan kanina. Siguro, yung cellphone thing is worth repeating dito. Kasi, tingnan mo na. Asikasuhin ko lang ito. You tell people something.
Yeah.
Tell them a story about your love life.
Love life, or tuloy ko na lang yung cellphone.
Okay.
Before gumagamit ka ng cellphone, was it like that? Or
Dati nagsi-cellphone siya. Ngayon, hindi na. Akala ng mga tao
What?
Islamic na wala siyang cellphone because they cannot believe somebody has no cellphone still in this day and age.
Meron pala.
Saka pala may
living proof.
May nagko-comment dito kanina na sa previous video, may nag-comment na pakita ka raw.
Hindi ako parang dyan.
If you're curious as to what I'm doing, curious ka na lang.
It's a project.
Very important project.
Entertain the people, come on. While I'm doing this stuff.
Okay.
You sing.
Entertain.
Tragedy!
Tragedy yan. Katakang tragedy.
Tumatawa dyan. Ay, yung main, yung main character dyan.
It's very busy.
Very busy.
Anyway, habang busy pa po yung ating si Mr. Comitero.
Kasi naghihintay yung wife niya ni Arlan. So, yung pag-alis niya depends on what I'm doing right now. So, eto na. So, I'm trying very hard to concentrate to finish this. So, para makaalis na siya, yung wife niya hindi na masyadong maghintay ng matagal.
Sa office pa naman.
Hindi kasi tinatapos ko lang itong meeting.
So, I'm going to review yung time killing skills nitong dalawa na to. I have to say, I would give a grade of 54.
Hindi mo lang mabot na 60.
No.
hindi papasa eh.
Yes. Yeah, so,
Oo nga eh.
Useless.
Siguro kung kumanta ako kanina.
oo nga, yun ang sinasabi ko.
Sige na nga.
Yan, sige, okay, go ahead.
For all you YouTubers out there.
For all you YouTubers out there, here is Mr. Aaron Esmeña in his song.
Turn around.
Here, alone in this lonely.
Pati ako na yun.
Here it's
Anong tawag dyan? Yung pag Holy Week? Yung pasyon?
Naging matanda.
This is probably the worst video ever in the history of this channel. So I won't blame you, YouTubers, if you decide to rate this as 1 star. You have my permission. Go ahead. Please, 1 star this. I don't care. Okay? And I'm cutting this short right now because it will just get even worse. Okay? Biclick.